Most people assume building a professional resume is stressful and time-consuming, but the surprising truth is that KickResume makes it fast, easy, and polished. Today, I'm giving an honest review based on real usage. KickResume is an online resume and cover letter builder with customizable templates. Most people get this wrong by thinking templates are cookie cutter. The platform allows full customization of colors, fonts, layouts, and sections, so your resume stands out while staying professional. I created a resume in under 30 minutes, and it looked modern and clean. You won't believe what happens next. KickResume also offers AI suggestions for phrasing, bullet points, and keywords optimized for applicant tracking systems. This is a huge advantage if you're applying to large companies that use automated screening. The surprising truth is that KickResume also provides cover letter templates, LinkedIn profile optimization, and portfolio sections. It's a full toolkit for job seekers, not just a resume maker. Some downsides include the premium plan needed for exporting in multiple formats and full access to AI tools. Free users can still create resumes, but advanced customization requires payment. Even so, the platform is intuitive, saves time, and reduces stress during the job hunt. In conclusion, if you want a professional, ATS-friendly resume quickly, along with AI-assisted enhancements, KickResume is worth trying. Subscribe for more honest resume builder reviews to land your next job faster.